channel. I'm about to do some baking. I ended my last vlog going to Trader Joe's and getting a few ingredients because I really want to make this banana bread. I have some bananas that I definitely need to use like today. And I have this cookbook that I really love. It's called Sweet Tooth. It's by Sarah Fennell. And I've always seen this chocolate banana bread that looks so good and wanted to make it. So we're doing that today. I prepped a few of the ingredients and I did get cocoa powder on me. So if you see any brown spots on my shirt, that's what that is. Let's get started on this banana bread. I've been dying to try it for the past few days. I just haven't had a chance to make it until now. So let's get started. Okay, I preheated the oven to 350 and lined a loaf pan with parchment paper. I'm gonna melt 1 stick of unsalted butter. My family has used the same banana bread recipe for years. I really only make that one. I don't even know if I've ever made another banana bread recipe because that one is just really good. It's easy and I almost know it by heart now, but I wanted to try something new. Next, in a large bowl, we're gonna mix the melted butter, sugar, and bananas until combined. I only have 2 bananas. It says 3, but that's also what the other recipe I usually use says, and I always only use 2, so we're gonna try that for this one and just hope that it works. So let's mash up these bananas. I feel like one of these looked way more ready than it actually was, but the other one is perfect. So hopefully they'll kind of balance each other out. I think the riper the banana is, the sweeter that it's gonna be and the better your banana bread is gonna taste. Don't quote me on that though. Okay, let's mix these together. Okay, now we're gonna add 2 room temperature eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I was really scared for a second that this was almond because the bottles pretty much look the same. Am I out of vanilla? Wait, that was perfectly 2 teaspoons. Oh my gosh, I got so lucky. And then we're gonna do 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt. You can also use sour cream. And now whisk again. Oh, nice. This is all in one bowl. I thought this was gonna be one of those recipes that has you do the dry ingredients in a separate bowl, but this is so easy. Okay, now we're gonna add the cocoa powder. This is 1/2 cup of Dutch processed cocoa powder, 1 cup of flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And now we're just gonna fold everything in with a silicone spatula. Also guys, Olivia Rodrigo just announced a new song and a music video. I am so excited. Maybe I'll record my reaction in this vlog. It's like almost 5 minutes long and she said it's one of her favorite songs she's ever written, which is setting the bar very high, and it's such a huge statement because all of her songs are so good and so well written. I've just been going to the artist section on Apple Music and hitting shuffle on Olivia Rodrigo's stuff, and there's some songs that are coming up that I haven't heard in such a long time and I forgot how good they were. I just love her music so much. Okay, lastly we're gonna add in 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and fold those in. Here is what the batter is looking like. This smells so good. I can already tell this is gonna be really good. Okay, I'm gonna transfer it to the pan and bake it for, I think it was 45 minutes. And that's about it. In this book though, she did take another banana and cut it in half lengthwise and put it on top before she baked it, but I don't have another ripe banana. Maybe since it's going in the oven though, it doesn't need to be ripe. Should we just try it with a regular one? I actually do have one that is pretty ripe, just not like overripe for banana bread. This might be perfect to add on the top. Maybe we'll try that. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Don't mind how the banana is broken, but it was like ripe enough to where it was kind of soft, and when I was peeling it, it was just not staying in one piece, and same with when I was cutting it, but that's okay. Even though it's not perfect, I still like that it kind of adds something interesting to the top. But oh my goodness, you guys, it smells so good. I don't know why, but when I bake, every single time I forget that it makes your house smell really good. So it's just a very pleasant surprise. It just came out of the oven, so I'm gonna wait a bit for it to cool down and then we can try it. I have really high hopes, I'm not gonna lie, because it just smells incredible. While it was baking, I cleaned up the kitchen and started organizing some PR for the giveaway in my last video, and I'm also doing one on TikTok and Instagram. I'm not sure when those are going up yet. They'll probably have already been posted, but I'm gonna continue gathering a bunch of stuff for the giveaways, so I'll see you guys when it's time to try this. I was just putting some laundry away and I was craving a snack. I was like, what should I have? And then I remembered I made this, so let's try it. Oh my god, immediately. Could tell it was insane. This is a dessert. It's very rich. The chocolate chips still being warm and almost a tiny bit melted. So good. I would recommend making it. I just don't know if certain recipes in the book are online or not. So I'm not sure if this is one of the ones that's just like public and free. But either way, I forgot that the book is sitting right behind me. This book has so many good recipes. I haven't even scratched the surface. I just love baking. I think it's so fun. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. guys, I have been nonstop listening to The Cure. I feel like I'm so bad at reacting to things. In the clip that I got, I was just fully processing. The music video was so good, and I think it might be my favorite song of hers. I've genuinely been trying to think of one that I like more, which is hard because I feel like she has such crazy range. She is so talented and she sounds good in so many different genres of music, which is one of the reasons I love her music so much, but it might be my favorite. I also really love Stranger. That's on the deluxe version of Guts, and I feel like it's so underrated. Let me know. Please comment if you are a Stranger girl as well. I also love Ballad of a Homeschooled Girl. I love Getting Back. I love All American Bitch. Like, there's so many. It would take forever if I just sat here and listed all of my favorite songs by her. So let's not do that. I'm about to go to therapy, but I think I'm gonna grab a coffee first. I'm really craving an iced vanilla latte with oat milk right now, so let's go grab one. Go to therapy. Okay, you guys, I'm done with therapy. Today was a really good session. Obviously, therapy is not meant to be like great every single time. Some days are going to be really hard, but today was very nice and very helpful. Some days I leave therapy feeling just like I don't want to talk to anyone. Mentally, I'm drained, but today is one of those days where I feel energized and yeah, I just feel good. All right, we're back home. After therapy, I did stop at the UPS store to get some boxes. These are for the giveaway winners. If you watched my last video, I did a little PR giveaway, and normally I would just use boxes that I already had, but I actually did not have any that were big enough, and I want to stuff these full of PR. So I'm doing one on YouTube, one on Instagram, and one on TikTok. But yeah, I just went and got some because I also didn't want to just wait until I got boxes that were big enough and then make the winner wait for her package. So anyways, next I'm going to the cat shelter today, and I'm so excited. If you didn't know, I volunteer at a cat shelter and I love it so much. Like, those are my babies. I've become attached to some of those cats. Cleo doesn't really love other cats, but if she did, I would be coming home with cats more often. But it is officially kitten season, so I think there's gonna be a ton of kittens when I get there. I got an email that they got in dozens of kittens the other day, so I'm very excited to go see them. But yeah, that's the plan for the rest of the day. I just need to eat something before I go, and then we're heading to the cat shelter. God, you guys, this was the fastest that my shift has ever gone by because we had so many cats. It's kitten season, like I said. This past weekend they got in 60 cats. One of the vets told me that they were expecting like 20, 25. Nope, they got 60, which is insane. I've never seen that many cats here, and especially that many kittens here at once. I do the feedings when I'm here, and I feel like on average it's usually like 20 cats. Today I fed 47 cats. There were so many cute ones that I was falling in love with. But yeah, even though it was crazy, it was such a good day. So much fun, and it went by really fast. I'm gonna go home and take a shower. Hi guys, it's the next day. I just got ready. Really quick before I tell you, do you guys notice anything different about something that I'm wearing? Anything that looks off? I'll give you a few seconds. I really hope your answer was no, because these are not real jeans. These are actually sweatpants. I've seen people wearing these before, and I've always kind of wanted to try them out, or at least see them in person to see if they actually look weird. And I feel like you can kind of tell with like the movement, they flow a little different than denim would. But for the most part, I don't think I would notice if I saw someone else wearing these. These are from Rag & Bone. I have heard really good things about their jeans. They asked to send me a few things, and I didn't know what it was gonna be. And I was so pleasantly surprised when they sent these jean sweatpants. I've been calling them my jet pants. This is my first time wearing them actually. The only thing is that they're a little bit high-waisted, so I have to roll them down, because if I don't, it's just super uncomfortable. Like, I really hate high-waisted pants, so I roll them down, and obviously this is not how jeans look, so I kind of just have to wear a top that covers it. But this is my outfit today. Very comfy, very cozy. My top is from Princess Polly. The weather says it's gonna rain today, which I do not believe. I'm looking at clear blue skies right now, not a cloud in sight, so that just has to be wrong. It also said 100%. Okay, now it's changing to 20 and 10%. You know what? Maybe I read it wrong. Maybe I saw 10 and I thought it said 100. That would actually make way more sense. Okay, anyways, I have some random little things I need to go do today. First, I need to run to the UPS store because I want to go ship out a birthday gift for someone. I might pick up a smoothie. I also want to bring Brayden and his coworker an acai bowl or a smoothie or something, so I'm waiting to hear what they want. I've been needing a car wash for a while, but but now that it says it might rain, I should probably wait on that. But I do need to go drop off some thrift store donations. I have a return I need to do. Lots of random, easy little tasks. I need to do laundry today. And then after that, I'll probably just be editing. So that is my plan for the day. First, I need to print out the shipping label for the gift and get it all packed up. I did my return, got my store credit. I'm also glad that I did not buy anything when I was in there. I thought there might be a chance of that, but I was in and out pretty quickly. So now we're gonna go do my thrift store donations. Wait. Okay, I don't think it is, but that literally looks just like Joey and Kelsey from The Bachelor. Love them. Okay, we're back home now, and I have a package that I want to open. I've been so excited about this. This brand called Case Me reached out and asked to send me some cases, but not just for my phone, also for my Kindle. I haven't seen the designs, so I'm really excited. It looks like there's so many in here. I thought they were sending like one Kindle case. I think they sent some phone cases too, so let's do a little haul. Also, I just realized this was in frame. Recently, Amazon Prime asked to send Cleo a PR package. Let me see if I can get her playing with it. She's sitting right here, just staring at it. Okay, I swear she loves it. You can't really tell by her reaction right now, but she's been obsessed with it. But yeah, Amazon reached out and basically asked to send Cleo a PR package, which is so cute. There we go. What you guys are actually propped up on is the box that they sent it in. I think they designed it to where it can kind of be a cat bed. They also sent this little pet blanket. It's just a small blanket. Cleo loves it. I have it sitting in her little box right now, and it's just her little cubby that she likes to lay in, and it's so sweet. She's been obsessed with everything, and she's so happy with all her new toys. It's so sweet. Okay, let's unbox all of these. What is this? Okay, I think these are for this little portable charger. That's so cool. So you can just buy one and change out the design depending on like what case you have. For this polka dot one, oh my god. You guys know, I love brown and pink. They have little candies in them too. I'm assuming the phone cases are gonna be matching. How cute. I'm obsessed with like the inverted print. Then we have this berries one, adorable. And this little wavy print. Each one has a little candy in it. That's so cute. And then we have the Kindle cases. First one says Hot Girls Read. Ooh, I like that it has the strap for your hand too. My current case has that too. This one is just a little bit thinner, which I like. This case is really nice, but it's a little bulky. We have this cute little gingham one. It says Book Club Society. Oh, this one's adorable. There's like a bunch of little stickers on it. I love the colors of this. It's pink and red. It says Probably Reading. And then this one with little bows on it. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I think I'm gonna put this pink striped one on right now. That is adorable. And it's still really thin. I love it. Thank you, Case Me. It's Case Me with a K. Okay, I think I might end the vlog here. For the rest of the day, I'm just gonna be editing and packing up some giveaway boxes, and I wanna get this video up as soon as possible. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next week with another video. Bye.